The very first time I've ever heard of a book club, I thought it was kind of strange. I thought it odd for people to all get together and sit beside each other while they silently read. I was more than relieved to hear that people actually didn't sit and read together. They all decided to go home, their own home, and they would read there. After finished reading the book, everyone would come together and discuss certain aspects of the book that they probably wouldn't have reading it on their own. If you were to take this format and put it in school, it would be called a classroom that has been flipped. Several people have tried to define clearly what a flipped classroom is, and the basic definition seems to be that you send your student home with a video lecture for them to watch before they come to school the following day. When they come to school the following day, they're ready to work with their classmates and their teachers to problem solve and apply the knowledge that they heard about the night before. They went on to say exactly what the flipped classroom is not. And this is a list of the things that it is not. What it's supposed to do is increase interactions between students and teachers. The teacher is supposed to be more of a guide rather than a dictator of knowledge. Students who are absent still are able to attend the classes in the sense because they have the video lecture online, and you also get a digital copy of the lecture. So when the question arises, how can we use this at ISB? The research basically out there doesn't share a lot for the elementary school. There's a lot of information for high school, some for middle school, and not very much for the early years, which leads us to believe that maybe it is more useful for children who are older. In addition to that, the issues and challenges with technology here may be something to be concerned about. Yeah, so the bottom line is that the flipped classroom should be seen as a tool that's used when it's actually going to help. The saying goes, a person with a hammer, to a person with a hammer, everything appears to be a nail. So use the tool wisely and you shouldn't have any problems.